Here we go. Well, I hope I get it right. We might have to take a couple of takes of this even some other time, you know, but anyway. Here's a little bit of a jingle that I thought about when I think about this place. So, it's about coming up here and being in the sun. It's for the Caravan Park and from Billy, so maybe you like it. Sitting around my home just the other day, I thought there must be a better fishing way, so I wanted to come fishing up in Karumba. So I got on the net and I called the sunset, and they all said that it's a sure bet. You'd be welcome, Billy, up here on the point of Karumba. So I loaded up my car, I threw in my guitar, and I hit start my caravan too. I come up to the sunset on Karumba Point, and I met the crew. Now I've been around the town, and there ain't a better place than this. And if your only wish is to catch a big fish, you can get them right here in Karumba. So when you see me sitting by the pool, you'll know this ain't no place for fools. So why don't you come up and see us in the sun? Well, don't hesitate or procrastinate. If you do that, mate, you're gonna be late. Get on the internet and call the sunset right here on the point of Karumba. And just load up your car, through the bunch of regard, hitch up your caravan too. Coming up to the sunset on Karumba Point and party like Billy do. Don't be a slouch, get off the couch. It's easy to find the number. Just get on the net and call the sunset right here on the point of Karumba. I said, now I've been around the town, and there ain't a better place than this. And if your only wish is to catch a big fish, you can get one right here in Karumba. I said, if your only wish is to catch a big fish, you can get one right here in Karumba. From the Sunset Caravan Park, you walk across the road. I said, if your only wish is to catch a big fish, you can get one right here at the Sunset Point on Karumba. Come up and see us, we're waiting. The sun, the fish, and the sand and the sea. Come on.